Good morning. My name is Niveditha. I'm currently pursuing MBA in Adarsh Institute of Management and Information Technology. I did my certification of MS Excel in Advanced MS Excel in Alpha Tech Academy. So our trainer was Mr. Sridhar. About our trainer, he did a fantabulous job teaching us, while he didn't lose his patience while teaching us all the concepts of MS Excel, Advanced MS Excel. And I hope that I do keep this in mind, and I do learn from it, and I do practically work on it, and work on it and do that in our career also. So I do thank Alpha Tech Academy for giving us this chance to study MS Excel and implement it. Thank you.